Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Wysocki and this will be my 4th year teaching here at Baldwin Street Middle School. I've taught English, current events, and history. In front of me here I have our classroom guardians. Pound it. You'll meet all of them in a couple weeks, but for now just a little bit more about me and what you can expect this school year. So not only do I teach here, but I also coach both girls and boys basketball. I'm a big sports fan overall. Most importantly, I root for my Lakers from Grand Valley State. So anchor up. A few other things. I always celebrate the very important weekly occasion of Taco Tuesday. Can't forget that. One of my favorite things to do is to read. I love reading books, and one of my favorite things I love to read about is the past. I love learning about history so much that sometimes I dress up in full costume as I do it, at home and here at the classroom. So don't be surprised if you see that this year. I am so excited to meet all of you and to get the school year started and to just have a wonderful school year together. See you soon.